Hey y'all, I'm just getting in from HomeGoods, Walmart, and thrift. Let me get this stuff down because it is hot outside. I will be back to show you what I picked up from HomeGoods. I've been shopping for the last 2 weeks, so it's just a little miniature haul. And same thing with HomeGoods. I would just go in maybe with a $10 bill or 15 or 20 was my minimum. And this is what I found. This is the creamer, and this was $3.99 on one trip I went to. Has little pretty details in it. And then I found the sugar one for $3.99. So that day I must have only went in with $10, so I got this whole set for under $9. That is really, really pretty. These two, and I definitely know another day that I went in, I think I only went in with $15. Look what I found. The miniature cake stands, and it's in the gold print, and I got this for $3, y'all. $3. Look how pretty that is. No, I didn't get one. I scooped them all up. So I got 2 in the gold. These are really nice. And then the last one that I found was like in the pink. I thought that was really pretty. And my idea, what I was thinking, perhaps stack them together to make a 3-tier. I'm doing like a pink and gold table setting. Not even a pink and gold. And they all stack together, and you can have like miniature sandwiches on here, desserts, cakes, everything. Look how pretty these are. And I only paid $3 a piece, so it was like $9 that day for these. Look how pretty that is. And you will be seeing these coming soon in a video. Okay, I'm just want to see, make sure I got everything. Oh no, I almost forgot one more thing. So the other day, me and my granddaughter, we went over back to HomeGoods, and I've been wanting one of these for a while, but couldn't find them. It is the message board, and this was $12.99. And as you can see, hopefully you can see it, Ariana set one night and she put my YouTube name, If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It, Kel. And it comes with the letters and everything that's included with this. And it's like that pink mauve color. So, and it has the velvet inside. It's really nice and soft. So we got this. I thought that was really nice, you know, just to have in my background. Maybe on my wall or in my desk. So you'll be seeing that all the time in my backdrops and in my videos. Let's see if I can get that up there. And I almost forgot one more piece. I was like, I know I had got something else fabulous, which I picked up today on my way in from the thrift store. I said, let me go back home the HomeGoods way so I can cut through. And I got about $10. Let me run in there because I went out with 40 and I did pretty good. And bam. Fabulous stainless steel. I believe this is stainless steel, or it may be that chrome. But nevertheless, look at the bling for the bling ladies and gals and guys inside. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That's going to be really nice on the table this winter. And you're probably wondering how much it was. You know, it was originally it said $14.99, but I paid $11. So they only knocked off, $4 off of it. But $11, still not a bad price. Thought this was really good, and it's really nice and heavy. Then you have the handle. So this is going to be a nice piece to my silver collection, chrome selection. It's going to be really nice for Christmas here in the new house when I decorate. So I'm not going to talk to y'all to death because this video is almost 20 minutes long, and hopefully all of y'all, if y'all got to this point, thank you. And I just want to say I appreciate y'all coming on and watching my videos. This video is going to replace one of my home series for the week. Because if you read my community tab, it said I'm either going to show you some deals, or we're going to be working in the house or working outside. So this is going to replace one of those videos. That's just FYI. But nevertheless, and as I always say, child, if it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. Y'all stay blessed, and I will see y'all in another video. Bye-bye.